It's Friday, October 26th. This is your host, Dan. Today, we're going to just be doing a real simple one, insulating some windows. Pretty simple job. Was almost not even going to bother filming this, but I'm getting into the habit of videotaping all the work that I do, so why not? You just need the kit. I use a heat gun to shrink it up. Hair dryer would probably work in a pinch, and just a razor blade. So now that it's getting cold out, I want to seal up some windows because it, without a doubt, keeps the heat in the house and keeps us much warmer, keeps the heat bills down. So I got a window in my kitchen and also the dining room that's going to need to be sealed up, so let's get started on that. So after I went around the whole perimeter and pressed it down, the tape with the heat gun, so it's going to have a good stick, took two window panels and merged them together with another piece of tape. This way I don't have to buy a patio kit to do this window. We're just going to do it with the regular window kit panels. So these are now stuck together. I'm going to peel this off. Have the taped edge on the inside of the window, so no hair or stuff is going to stick to that. And then we'll start putting it up on the window. There's our finished product, side shot view. You can see there's no wrinkles. We got them all out with the heat gun. When you use that heat gun, you got to be real careful to always keep it moving. Always to at least keep it, I keep it about 4 or 5 inches away from the plastic when I'm heating it. If you don't, it'll burn a hole in it real fast. So that one's done. This one's done too. Small kitchen window. This one was pretty easy, went without a hitch. So if I stand back from both of them, it almost doesn't even look like I put on the Seal-A-Meal Shrinky Dink wraps. It looks really nice. It almost just kind of looks like they're panes of glass. So real cheap thing you can do. Keep the cold out of your house, keep your heat bills down. Hope you found this informative. Thanks for watching.